Now, we are going to discuss about the next topic in this chapter, that is plastics. You are familiar with many plastic articles used in day-to-day life. Can you make a list of such items? You can see that items in this picture. What are they? Water bottles, chairs, storage boxes, kitchen utensils, etc. are made by using plastic. Then, do you know plastic is also a polymer like synthetic fibers? You know that polymers are obtained by joining small units together like the beads arranged in a necklace. In polymers, the small units are arranged in a linear form or a straight line, that you can see that type of arrangement in this picture. That is the picture A, linear arrangements. In linear arrangements, the particles are arranged in straight line. Then all plastic do not have the same type of arrangement. In some it is linear, that is the picture A, and some it is cross-linked arrangements, that is like a network structure form. These are the two types of arrangements in polymer. In some polymers it is linear, whereas in others it is cross-linked. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes and different colors, as you can see in this picture. Have you ever thought how this is possible? The fact is that plastic is easily moldable. That is, it can be shaped in any form. Also, plastic can be recycled. That is, it can be converted into reusable materials. And it can be colored, melted, and rolled into sheets or can be made into thin wires. That is why it is used for various purposes. Next, polythene. You're familiar with the term polythene. Polythene means poly plus ethene, that is polythene. It is an example of plastic which is used for making the most commonly used polythene bags. Isn't it? Are plastic with same property used for all purposes? Have you seen plumbers using PVC? What is PVC? PVC is polyvinyl chloride. Have you seen plumbers using PVC by heating and cooling? What is the peculiarity of these particles, plastics? Can we use PVC for making the handles of pressure cookers and iron boxes? Then, what is the change when heating a piece of PVC and all switches? Do you know? Yes, it gets deformed. Such type of plastic which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. Thermoplastics are the plastic which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. There are some articles made of thermoplastics. Then, do you know what are the examples of thermoplastics? Yes, polythene and PVC are some of the examples of thermoplastics. Can you say some more uses of thermoplastics? Thermoplastics are used for manufacturing toys, combs, and various types of containers. Here we learned about the type of plastics which get deformed easily on heating. So a question arises: how can we use plastic for making handles of pressure cookers and iron boxes? We know that for making pressure cookers and iron boxes, we are using plastics. Then, how can we use plastic for making handles of pressure cookers and iron boxes? Because there are some plastics which, when molded once, cannot be softened by heating. These are called thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastic, there are some plastic which, when molded once, cannot be softened by heating. These are called thermosetting plastics. Do you know the examples of thermosetting plastic? Mainly, there are two examples of thermosetting plastics. They are bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity, which partially conduct heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switch, handles of various utensils, etc. And the second example is melamine. Melamine is a versatile material, that is, it is adapted to many different functions. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastics. So it is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware, and fabrics which resist fire. Okay, is it clear? The two examples of thermosetting plastic and also the two types of plastics. Okay, thank you.